This is the Appalachian by Mattamy Homes. It's got a covered entryway. As you walk in the door, there's a little bit of a coat closet here. You can see the stairs over to the left. Let's take a peek around the corner while we're here. You've got a half bath on this side. Oh, there you go, automatic lights. Very nice. And this is a bedroom over here with a closet they're using for an office. Decent sized closet. And here is the second bedroom. With a nice closet there and storage there. Good size room. As you come in from the garage, you come into this little drop zone area for coats, shoes. Right next to it is your laundry area. And in this particular case, they've got a door that they've installed so that you can go right into the master or primary bedroom closet. I'm going to take a peek this way, and this is a gorgeous view of the kitchen, dining, and living area. All a very nice open space. The floors here are very nice. A wide plank flooring. LVP, I'm sure. This is the gray color cabinets, the granite, and just a subway tile. This has the the range, the freestanding range, and the over the stove microwave. Over here they have a huge pantry right off of the kitchen area. Very nice storage. You can't hardly beat that. And then from this vantage point, you can see right over to the television area and everything that's going on there, and back over to the laundry room area. And again, a nice big space for an informal dining area. On this house, they have opted to put the covered patio space and screen in that area as well. It's like a 10 by 12 patio that comes with this property. And you can see the lots, not super, not a big slope on them at the edges, which is very nice. So most of your lawn is usable space. And again, the view from this corner of the house. We're going to walk into the primary bedroom, and this is a massive bedroom at 18 by 14. Plenty of space here for a sitting area, television, and chairs along with the bed, which is a huge king-size bed, 2 nightstands. So tons of space here. Right off is the primary bedroom or bathroom with double bowl sink. This particular one, there's the toilet, and this particular one has the shower stall only. It is possible to have the shower or a tub combination if you prefer, but this one's got the shower and the linen closet. And over here is the walk-in closet. And right off the walk-in closet is where we started, where I showed you the door that you could access the laundry room if you wanted to install that, so you'd be very near the machines. So if you can choose to build this house with only this much space, or you can choose to add that upstairs to it. So nice wide staircase that goes up. As we get to the top, we have a bonus room. Nice size. Not super, super huge, but a decent size for gaming and for television watching or office space. You have a full bath here. Down the hall, we've got a closet here, access to the attic space, a nice walk-in closet for storage, and a really nice sized bedroom in here. They've set it up with 2 single beds, a double window, and as you look out, you can see more of the closet and the attic storage there. So very nice. This is very nice.